So hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make drop downs menu on these pages. As you remember, in the last video we created this contribute page and lorem ipsum page, and you know how we use the template to make different pages. Now what we are doing in this video, we're gonna make a drop down page. So let me show it to you. If you go to the pages in the last versions of WordPress, you could just drag these pages in a little bit forward, and you could have made the drop down menu, but it's not possible in these versions. So how you can make these things? For example, I'm going to sample page, make it a drop down menu on lorem ipsum. For that, you just need to do one thing. Go to no parent and change the parent to the page that you want to be drop down menu to work for. And if I update it now and I go to my website and refresh it, as you can see, the lorem ipsum page now has drop down menu on sample page, and if I click on it, it will go to the sample page. Now you can make parent pages another parent page. It means you can add you can select a parent page for another parent page. For example, if I go here in the pages, if you remember correctly, lorem ipsum was our last defined parent. If I go here and check this as a contributor, and if you can see, now our contributor page has a drop down menu on lorem ipsum, and this has a sample page drop down menu again. And easily, if you want to take them out, you can just go to the contribute, you can go to parent and choose the no parent, and if you update, it'll work just fine, and it will get out of this parent thing. That was all to it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you in the next one.